guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sua, and in today's video I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me as I decorate and reorganize my room, but also decorate my car. So it is going to be honestly a really long day. You guys might not think that this is dirty when I tell you I am going to deep clean today. Okay, so before we get into the rest of the video, I just want to say thank you to TEMU for sponsoring this portion of the video. So if you guys have never heard of TEMU before, or if you don't know what TEMU is a brand that sells literally anything that you're looking for. It has everything to room decoration, accessories, electronics, cleaning supplies, clothing. It literally has everything. TEMU offers free shipping and also free returns up to 90 days. Even though it's already really cheap, they give you guys so many opportunities to get coupons and other more discounts, and half the time their whole store has 90% off sales. And TEMU was so nice enough to send me so much of their cutest stuff, and I'll have the link to everything in my description, as well as a special link that if you guys click and download the TEMU app, you guys can get up to $100 off. But I'm so excited because everything that I just got from TEMU is honestly so adorable. So obviously this video that I am filming for you guys today is car decoration, organizing my room, deep cleaning my room. So I wanted to get something that I can decorate with, clean with. Also, this is going to be an unboxing because I have this whole box, but I didn't actually open any of the actual products, so we can open them together. The first thing I got were these neck pillows. I saw this on TikTok, so I think this is so cute. But look how adorable this is. So this goes behind the head of your car. So it came with two, this one and this one. I actually asked for these, and these are these cute bunnies. These are also the neck pillows for your car. I have this one, and again the set with the other one. And this also came with a pillow just for the people in the back. And look how big and adorable this is. Honestly, I might keep this in my room just because, like, I don't know if I want to keep a white pillow in my car. Look how adorable this is. And oh my gosh, it is so soft. So the next thing I got for my car is, because I wanted my car to be really organized, I wanted to have a organization space in my trunk. So I found this really cute. Obviously, if you guys have not watched my channel in a long time, you guys know I love the color pink. So I had to get this in pink, but it's really this cute basket kind of organization storage bins for your car. That's what it looks like. Honestly, it can fit so much because this is so big, but look how cute, adorable this is. And to go in my organization space, I wanted to have kind of like an emergency kit or anything like that that I can just grab from the back. So I had to get the emergency kit. So this, I'm gonna put this in my car. This has everything. I looked through this the other day, but it has everything from a flashlight to ice packs to heating blankets to band-aids, scissors, whistles. Like, they have everything that you need, honestly. The next thing I got for my car is this cute white vacuum cleaner. It's so cute because it's so small, but I think it'll get the job done. And it comes with two different other tools that you can just stick in the front. So the next thing I got for my car is I got a phone holder. So quick story time, my car got robbed literally the first day of spring break, and one of the things they took was my phone holder, which honestly I was so upset about because it was my cute like monkey one. But I got the black bear one. I can finally have my phone up because I'm excited. So next thing, I have two exterior decorations that I wanted to get, and the first thing is this really cute just white sticker that I'm gonna put in the back. And I also got this. It's gonna go on top of my trunk handle. That makes sense, but it's these cute silver hearts, so I'm so excited. The next thing I got for my car is a trash can, and obviously I had to get it in pink, but it's this pink one that has a push thing at the top, and you put this on the side of your car. But the next thing I got is this bag holder. Recently I've been obsessed with rabbits, as you can tell, but I got this cute bag holder, and then you can hang your bag here, and I think this is really sturdy. So I got some really cute floral and accessories put in the airway. So I got these really cute purple ones, and it also has a lavender smell to it. And I also got other flowers that I'm just gonna mix and match. And I also got this really cute, I got this bear one, and I'm gonna put this in my car as well. I put this on top of here. Oh my god, that is adorable. So the next thing I got is I wanted to get coasters because my cup holders in my car get so dirty. I don't know why, but I got these really cute green crystal ones just for my my side. I guess this is also for my car, but I got a little cute keychain because my car keys, I've had them for so long and I wanted to spice it up over the summer. So I got this really cute pearl and leaf keychain that I can just have my key on. So the next thing I got is, I'm so excited about, these are little cute bunnies, and this goes in my rear view mirror, like on top. Oh, I also, this is more fragrance stuff for my car. I just put it and it smells like lemon because I got another black organization thing for my trunk, like this. And honestly, because this is also a room decoration video or room organization video, I think I'm gonna keep this in my closet so that I can just put excess clothes in. So honestly, this is a steal. So now everything I just showed you guys is everything that I got for my car. And I'm just gonna show you guys, I have a few more things for my room. And I didn't get that much for my room. I just wanted to do a little summer decorations. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is my jewelry holder. So it's this really cute white just flower jewelry tray. And I want to put this next to my bedside so I can just take my jewelry off because I hate sleeping with jewelry on. And then just put this on my bedside. The next thing I got for my room, so this is not really for my room, but I got a planner. And one thing I get stressed about for planners is they already have the dates and years set, but this planner is the non-dated one, so I can fill it in as I go. So the next thing I got is kind of weird to be honest, but I got a bed set. So I saw on TikTok and I heard so many amazing reviews about TEMU's bed sets. When I take it out right now, it is so soft. So what I'm going to do later is I'm going to wash these so that I can show you guys and tell you guys my honest review about these. Second to last thing I got is I got some cute posters. There's one part of my room where the wall is completely just blank, so I wanted to use that space and just have really cute posters up. But look at all these cute posters that I'm gonna hang up. Like this is literally adorable. Finally, the last thing that I got is a really cute makeup bag. I know this is not for my room, but I wanted to get this from Temu so bad. This is really cute tulip makeup bag. I'm so excited. But this is so big and I feel like I can fit so much here when I'm traveling or anything like that. So that's basically it of everything that I just got. That was really a big haul. So Temu, I just want to say thank you for sending me all these amazing stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of my video where I decorate and organize my room and my car. So before I get started, let me show you guys what my car looks like right now before we put all the decorations in. So I still have some decorations that I have. So this is what my car looks like. I actually crocheted this, and I guess I don't have a lot of decorations. I have my organization stuff in here. Like if you can see, I cleaned this out the other day too. But now I'm just gonna go bring out my decorations from my room and then start decorating. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is decorate the front part of my area, like put my coasters and put all my air fresheners, stuff like that. Guys, this is literally so cute. Look how cute these little bunnies are. Oh my god. And I think what I'm gonna do next is put up all my little like air freshener flowers on these spots. So I'm organizing the trunk of my car right now, and I decided I'm just gonna keep the black one in my car and use a pink bare one for my room so that it's just honestly smaller. I need more storage in my car. So right now I have an extra shirt, my school shirt, just in case. I have my vacuum and my emergency stuff, and I'm also gonna bring like water bottles for emergencies and other stuff like that. I'm finally done decorating my car. It's kind of loud outside, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna give you guys the official tour of my car now because I have all my decorations all done. First things first though, I did change out my keychain. I have the pearl one now. I have a lot of stuff. I have my AirPods, my wallet, and my car keys and my house key on here, so if I lose this, I'm dead. But the first thing is, this is what the front looks like. So this is the first part. I have all my air fresheners here, so you can't really tell this is air fresheners. But if you look in the back, it has the smelling things. I think some of them are peach, lemon, and stuff. In the middle, same thing. I have other flowers here. And I finally got my phone thing up here. Look how cute it is. And then look how cute. I already showed you guys this, but it's my cute 2 little bunnies. And then at the end, it's the same thing with the 2 flowers. Showed you guys this earlier too, but I have my coasters here. They're really pretty. I love the little glitters, and I think this is definitely gonna help my cup holders remain clean. And on my driver's side, I also have my little pink trash can. This is also something I already had, but it's these seatbelt covers. These are really cute, and I have this on my driver's side as well. Following up with my little bunny collection, I got my little 2 bunnies, and then if you look in the back, I have my 2 hearts. And then I also have my trash can. This is the one I had originally. So for the inside of my trunk, so this is basically what I have. So I have my lacrosse bag because it has all my other stuff in here, like extra pads, extra like lotion and stuff like that. So I kept the remaining stuff in there. My lacrosse stick. But I have my hat just in case I need an extra hat whenever I go anywhere. And then back here I have the vacuum cleaner, my emergency kit. I have some extra tissues. I have an extra shirt just in case my clothes get wet or anything like that. And then I have scissors. I don't know why I will need them, but just in case. And then I have some drinks back here, which is just water, Gatorade, and lemonade. This is a blanket slash hoodie. And then just in case I get cold or anything like that, I do have a blanket. And then to show you the exterior of my car, I just put it here alongside my student driver because my mom thinks it's important for me to have that. And then I have my cute little stickers, which I think turned out so cute. So right now I'm officially gonna tackle my room. But the first thing I'm gonna do is, because I got new bedding from TEMU, I'm gonna put that in the washer and then wash like my other pillow covers and other stuff I need to wash. So I'm gonna do laundry first. I think that first thing I'm gonna tackle, other than laundry of my bedding, which is already in there, I'm gonna tackle this wall. This wall is really blank, so every other place right now has something on the wall. We got on top of my bed, which is kind of a mess right now, front of my desk area. So I want to put the prints that I got from TEMU here. This portion is honestly pretty clean, but I'm gonna tackle my laundry now. Honestly, I've been waiting so long. I've been delaying all of it because I hate doing laundry. Of an update a lot later because my camera died, but I finished all my laundry. I just organized everything. Also, my bed is finally made. So this is the new bedding I just got from TEMU, and honestly, it is so soft. I was worried that the quality wasn't going to be good, but it's so soft. And I think I did get a little bigger size, but It's cute. I think it's adorable. And then this was supposed to go in my car, but I decided to put this in my room. It's so cute. And so yeah, my bed is made, and then I ended up cleaning my bedside table as well. So the last thing that I have to tackle for this room is my desk area, and my desk area isn't as bad. I think I just have to clear off everything, wipe down everything, and also see if I want to get rid of any like school supplies that I had. Like 6 hours later, I'm officially done. I'm done reorganizing my room, deep cleaning, and also decorating my car. And my room, honestly, it looks the same, but it feels so clean. So that's basically the end of today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down any other videos you guys would like to see. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.